Good morning everyone. Again, today I'm just roaming around the city here in Shillong. I've come across this beautiful cafe. You can see the signboard there. The name of the cafe is You and I Arts Cafe. So this is a beautiful cafe in Shillong that most people like, and yeah, you can go with your friends, with your family, and you can go as a couple as well. So this is the entrance. So it's a beautiful building. It's a beautiful house. You can see the entrance is nice. You can see beautiful flowers, and you have some seating areas as well. So look at the scene, you will like it. I'll just show you around. Okay, you can see these flowers. You can see a small sort of pool there. You can see the seating areas there as well. So you can eat outside or you can eat inside as well. But most people, they prefer sitting outside just for chilling or relaxing with their friends and the family. Okay, we'll just go around the cafe and then I'll take you inside. You'll see how it looks. It's really beautiful inside. I've just come from inside. It's really nice. So this is the seating place outside. Here you can sit, have a chat with your friends and family. Okay, this is the view from the roadside. They have a house here, so I believe this is the whole building that owned by the You and I Cafe. So now this is a small place, but it's a beautiful place. You can come here with your family and friends, and you will enjoy mainly indigenous food in this restaurant. So this is the parking space, and now let's go inside and have a look how it looks. So there you'll see where you can see the stars. So that is the entrance with the name displayed at the top, You and I Arts Cafe. Let's get into the inside of the cafe. Okay, at the entrance you'll see this traditional kitchen. So this is a traditional Khasi kitchen where Khasi people use to cook their food here. So this is called the bay. It's made out of clay and then with some stones keeping together to hold the utensils of the pot. And then you may see some of the other stuff here which are very traditional to the Khasi community. So this is what we call in the Khasi language, it's called mending, or it's a kind of a holder. It holds a lot of stuff that you can keep on top, especially to warm them or to dry them. Even people in the villages, they used to dry fish on this one as well. So that is the entrance. Here you have a washing basin as well, and then you have a lot of decorations. So let's get inside. So this is the table. So you have got so many tables. I think in the daytime it's empty. Very few people are coming here, but look at the decorations. At the entrance you'll also find the menu. So this is menu. This is mainly in Khasi. Pansal Tuntab Jurim. The cost is 250 rupees. Dot hat sniang, which means, yeah, it's a kind of a pork. Yeah, it's a dried pork. 100 rupees. And then the next one, putaro dot sniang anayong, 100 rupees. Putaro chocolate. Oh, I've never tried this. That costs 50 rupees. And then Mawlai chocolate, that's a kind of a traditional Buddhan traditional Khasi food. And then you've got other traditional food as well. Okay, let's get inside. So this is the view inside. So you have a lot of decorations. You have a bell. Okay, this is a bell. That is a bell. And you can see the decorations. It looks awesome. So yeah, there are a lot of the stuff that... Okay, I've got my food ordered here. So this is red potato with some chutney, and then this is what they call dot jam. This is made mainly out of pork with some masalas for them. And then this is my favorite. This is called putaro. It's a white kind of a bakery made from rice. It's really nice. It's soft. You can eat this with dot jam. It's really amazing. So let's start eating. First thing, I'll be eating red potato. Okay, let's try. Wow, it's nice. here in Shillong, most people who know about this cafe, they come here and enjoy having red potato with chutney. Yeah, it's called tung tap in Khasi language. I made a mistake before coming here. I had some food already. If I know that they have this kind of food, I would have not eaten in the morning yet. The chutney is a bit spicy. I don't really eat that much of spicy, but it's nice. It's nice. I'm enjoying it. If any of you visit Shillong, please find this cafe. You'll find it somewhere in MAWROH. The name cafe is You and I Arts and Cafe. Wow, awesome. Okay, now let's continue. I'll be eating putero. I'll show you what it looks like. This is putero. It looks nice. It's soft. It's made out of rice. It's very similar to idli that you get in southern India, like in Bangalore or Chennai. Finally, I'll be eating this putero. It's a white kind of bakery made from rice. It's not sour just like the idli, but it's very similar to idli that you get in southern India. And I'll be eating it with dot jam. This is called dot jam. It's made from pork. So let's have it. It's really nice. Wow. Nice. The taste is awesome. Especially this one dot jam. Wow. I've never tasted dot jam maybe for more than a year. This is the first time when I come to Shillong after a year, and this is one of the best. I recommend everyone, if you reach out this place, you can visit it. You'll enjoy it. Let's continue eating. This is just like a small dustbin that you put the remaining parts of the red potato. It's called pra in our place. You know, there's one political party in Shillong was given this small pra as the symbol. It is a sign of throwing away all the waste to make a clean politics in the region. Okay, I'm full. I'm almost done. As I told you before, I had food already from home, so wow, I'm full now. But that's all. That's all for today. You guys enjoy. Thank you.